Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here with the Mountain Weather Information Service. This is an update on Friday the 3rd of April. Naturally, it's still strange and difficult times out there at the moment, and any thoughts of trips to the hills are very much on hold at the moment. Let's have a look at the general weather story over the next week to 10 days, though, to bring you up to date with where things are going. And we've got high pressure still as a common theme. There'll be some variations of temperatures. We'll switch the wind to a warmer southerly again through the course of the week ahead, and occasional fronts will come in from the Atlantic. Let's just run fairly briefly through the story then over the week ahead, and we start off with this weekend, and we see high pressure lying to the east of us. We've got a plume of southerly air coming up from Spain and North Africa, and temperatures will be gradually on the rise. Initially quite a damp air mass, bringing low cloud and some rain and drizzle to western and southwestern facing hills. That really being aided by the low pressure system that lies to the west of us, and that will eventually strengthen the winds through onwards into Sunday to bring gale force south or southeasterlies and some powerful gusts in places to lower slopes towards, let's say, the north of the Ben Nevis range and the Snowdon range as well, a classic sort of pattern in that south by southeasterly regime. We have a cold front which will be moving in from the west, and gradually through Sunday cloud will thicken and outbreaks of rain will move in, probably later on across those western hills, but some heavy bursts developing at least for a time. Now that front will fade and break up through overnight into Monday, passing eastwards. Temperatures will then tend to fall again, and the freezing level as we go into Monday around 900 or 1,000 metres, just below freezing at that sort of level. A few showers will come in from the west through Monday daytime. Pressure will then build again from the south through into Tuesday. We still have a southwesterly, though, affecting Scotland, which will bring some cloud and rain to the northwest highlands with a front draped nearby in this location, but many places looking dry, and temperatures will again rise as the airflow is back to the south, with values getting up towards 20 degrees in lower lying areas, particularly central parts of England, but a few spots with local foehn effect over the hills could find high temperatures as well in the lee of high ground. Areas, let's say North Wales, north of the Snowdon range and north of the Cairngorms doing pretty well for some local warmth with that southerly airflow into midweek. A good amount of sunshine should be around, but we do have the next front encroaching in, and by the time we get to about Thursday we'll see strengthening winds and some further rain edging back in. Some heavy bursts again for a time, a little bit like what we'll have seen at the start of the week. Overall, the initial trends toward the Easter weekend suggest that although high pressure is still nearby at first, it's just being interfered with a bit more by fronts coming in from the Atlantic, and the early indications are for a more mixed pattern into that Easter weekend as weather systems try and come in from the Atlantic. It may be fairly short-lived because indications further ahead start to build pressure once again. You can still stay up to date with your local forecasts every day on our website. We're updating those 3-day written forecast PDFs every single day. Thanks for watching today. Stay safe and well. Bye for now.